Hi, today we're going to talk a little bit about symbols, which may be a mysterious thing for you. If a customer ever sends you some artwork, let's say you're a screen printer like I am, you need to work with this. You need to separate the colors and do whatever you got to do. And you might say to yourself, why can't I ungroup it? Why can't I change this? Why can't I make do anything, change colors? The reason is, you look down here, whenever you don't know what something is in Corel Draw, what layer it's on, what it is, look down at the bottom. This is a symbol. So what is a symbol? I'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute, but for now let's figure out how to work on a symbol. We'll go up here to Edit, see Symbol, Revert to Objects. So whenever you get a symbol, just click that. Now you can do whatever you have to do with the symbol depending on what you're doing. You can see this symbol is comprised of some geometric shapes, outlines, fills, raster, drop shadow. And this is just something I came up with for the video. Let's pretend this is some kind of restaurant or something, and this is their logo or symbol, if you will. And first let's learn how to make a symbol. Now that we learn how to undo it, I'm gonna go back up here to Edit, Symbol Manager. Now you can see here's my symbol here that I made earlier. But let's make a new symbol by making that blue. Okay, we want one symbol with green and one with blue, just in case we need to use it for something else. So I'm going to drag this right here. Now I got a new symbol. Okay, so now it's a symbol, and once again I can't do anything with it. So why would you do such a thing? Well, here's an example of how you might want to use a symbol. Now that we have our symbol here and a little map of the United States. Now I'm from Hawaii, and I've always wondered why they put us down here in Mexico, and Alaska's over here by San Diego, so Cabo San Lucas is somewhere down here. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. But let's say this is a restaurant logo, and I want to show all the locations that this restaurant is located in the U.S. So there's one up here in Seattle, or wherever that is. Just drag it up there. There's one here in Miami. One over here in Anchorage. My geography is not as good as it could be, but maybe Anchorage is. Anyway. Wherever you want a location for your restaurant, you can put a symbol. Now it's the same thing as if you grouped this and copied and pasted it, but let's pretend you're working on a multi-page document. You're going to be using this symbol all over the place on every map, on every page. It's much easier to just be able to put the symbol where you want it. Anyway, that's how you use a symbol, and that's the reason they exist. So whenever anybody sends you a symbol, now you know how to take it apart, and you know how to create a symbol. And you may or may not use them. I don't use symbols very much, but it's nice to know what they are and how they behave and why they exist. Anyway, practice a little bit with that, and I hope your next project goes well.